Starting your car in the winter can be tricky. Cold temperatures affect the battery, oil and fuel system. Here's how to properly start your car in cold weather to protect your engine and improve reliability. In cold weather, your car battery works much harder because low temperatures reduce its ability to hold and deliver power. This makes it more difficult for the battery to provide enough energy to start the engine. To prevent problems, it's important to check that the battery terminals are clean and free of corrosion, and that all connections are tight and secure. Corroded or loose terminals can prevent proper current flow, making it even harder to start your car. During the winter, cold temperatures cause engine oil to thicken, making it harder for the oil to circulate through the engine and properly lubricate moving parts. To prevent this, it's important to use a winter-grade oil that flows more easily in low temperatures. Always check your vehicle's owner's manual for the recommended oil type, as using the correct winter-grade oil ensures smoother starts, better protection for the engine, and improved performance during cold weather. When starting your car in cold weather, it's best to first turn the key to the on position, or press the start button without cranking the engine right away. This allows the fuel pump to activate and build up pressure in the fuel system, making it easier for the engine to start. After a few seconds, crank the engine to start it. If the car doesn't start within about 10 seconds, avoid continuously cranking, as this can drain the battery or damage the starter motor. Instead, wait around 30 seconds before trying again. This short pause gives the battery a moment to recover and increases the chances of a successful start on the next attempt. Once the engine starts, let it idle for about 30 to 60 seconds to allow the oil to circulate and lubricate all moving parts. This brief warm-up period helps protect the engine, especially when it's very cold. However, there's no need to let the car idle for a long time, so it's best to start driving slowly after the short idle period. The engine oil pan heater pad is designed to make winter starts faster and safer by quickly preheating the engine oil. In extremely cold weather, it can raise the oil temperature to an optimal level in just 5 minutes, improving oil flow, reducing engine wear during cold starts, and extending the engine's lifespan. It features smart temperature control with an automatic shutoff that activates and resumes heating when the temperature drops below, ensuring safety and preventing overheating. The pad is easy to install, just clean the metal surface, peel, and stick. By following these steps and using helpful tools, you can make winter car starts much smoother and safer.